Hi friends, today in this video, I'm going to make an adjustable battery charger for different types and voltages of batteries. It can charge this 1.2 volt battery, this 3.7 volt battery, even you can charge 2 batteries in series or 3 batteries in series. For which, I designed the simple schematic circuit diagram, and then I converted the schematics into the PCB. To avoid messing up on pref board, I ordered the PCBs from JLC PCB. You will get high quality 5 pieces of PCBs for just $2. Then I prepared the PCB for components. So, let's place all the components into the PCB according to the circuit diagram. You also need to solder a 1 mega ohms discharging resistor across this capacitor. After completing the soldering process, I cleaned the PCB with isopropyl. And now our PCB looks nice and clean. Use a small heatsink for heat dissipation. And use thermal paste, a little amount for better heat dissipation. Fix the heatsink at its place. And use a bolt to secure with component. Use this type of AC plug. Connect in this terminal connector. Use alligator clip wires and connect in this connector. I also 3D printed a potentiometer knob for easy operation. Before we test our circuit, let me tell you that you can also order the same PCB for this project without messing up on pref board. Just go to the video description, and with this link sign up on JLC PCB website. On the home page of JLC PCB website, here you can add the Gabber file I provided. After uploading, you can see the preview of the PCB. You can also change quantity and color of the PCB as per your requirements. And then save to the cart for checkout. Now back to the testing. Connect this circuit into the AC outlet. As you can see, it is powered up. I will connect multimeter to track the voltage. You can adjust this potentiometer anti-clockwise to decrease the voltage. Also, you can adjust the potentiometer clockwise to increase the voltage to maximum. For testing, let's set the voltage at 4.2 volts. I will charge this 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery. As you can see, its current voltage is 3.6 volts. Use this battery holder for easy operation. Connect the battery into the holder and connect the wires with the circuit. As you can see, battery voltage is reached to 4.2 volts, so it is now fully charged. You can also charge this 1.2 volt nimh cell with this charger. Just adjust the voltage to 1.5 volts. And connect the cell with this circuit. Now you can see cell is reached to 1.3 volts. You can charge 2 in series of 3.7 volt batteries by setting the voltage at 8.4 volts. And you can also charge 3 in series by setting the voltage at 12.6 volts. Also, I would like to let you know that JLC PCB launched other PCB related services like PCB layout designing, which helps you in swiftly transitioning from concept production of PCBs. As a one-stop PCB solution provider, JLC PCB offers from PCB layout to PCB production, PCB assembling to component sourcing, also 3D printing and CNC machining. Just start a layout quote. And here you can upload the schematics related files. You can download the template for instructions. And select the other parameters, and submit the order. Your files will go all these steps during the production of your PCB. And you'll get delivered with high quality PCBs. So, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe the channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.